ஹாய், இன்னைக்கு என்னோட இன்ட்ரோ வீடியோவில் சொன்ன ஃபர்ஸ்ட் கொஸ்டின் தான் பார்க்க போகிறோம். Why is the sky blue? First of all, to understand this, நம்ம வந்துட்டு சன்லைட்டை பற்றி ஃபர்ஸ்ட் பார்க்கணும். Sunlight has all the colored lights in it. How is that even possible? Say for example, எல்லா கலர்ஸையும் எடுத்து ஒரு பெயிண்ட் கலர்ஸ் எடுத்து நம்ம மிக்ஸ் பண்ணோன்னு வச்சுக்கோங்க. என்ன கலர் வரும்? யூஸ்வலி இட் வில் பி ப்ரௌன் இன் கலர். Whereas எல்லா colored lightsையும் மிக்ஸ் பண்ணுறப்ப we'll end up having white light. And that's why sunlightல வந்துட்டு நமக்கு white light தான் mostly தெரியுது, but then it contains all the colors. To understand this much better, we can actually have a small experiment. You can do it at home as well. Prism by any chance உங்ககிட்ட இருந்ததுன்னா well and good. If not, glass of water எடுத்துக்கோங்க. டார்ச் லைட், அந்த glass of waterல டார்ச் லைட் or if you don't have a torch light, flash light அடிக்கிறப்ப you will be able to see all the colored lights on the other side. So sunlight contains all the other colored lights as well. So in the light travels straight towards the earth. So when it just before it reaches the earth, it hits tiny particles. And the tiny particles என்னன்னா nothing but the particles that are present anywhere and everywhere. Say இப்படி நீங்கள் ஹேண்டை வேவ் பண்ணி பார்த்தீங்கனாலே you will be able to feel the air. That is nothing but your hand hits those tiny particles. So when the light hits those tiny particles, it scatters. That is one of the property of light. The light that scatters the most is violet and blue. So now we know that it is blue and violet are the colors that scatters the most, and when it scatters, ultimately we are able to perceive the blue color. So why not violet? That's because most of the violet colored light gets absorbed on the upper atmosphere of the earth, and the other reason is that we are more sensitive to blue light compared to violet, and that's why we are able to see blue. So what happens to the other colored lights? They all travel straight through our eyes. As they travel in a group, they still appear to be a white color to us. So now we know why the sky is blue in color. Thank you so much for watching the video. I would be so glad to know if it has helped you learn something. Thank you again. See you guys. Bye-bye and stay curious.